So I told you guys that I was going to be updating you guys on my hair journey. And here we are. This is my hair. Look at the length of my hair. I just removed the weave that I had on, or rather the braids that I had on. So I plaited them in different sections. That's why I'm thinking like I'm going to be going out to wash my hair. But before I do, I'm going to be spraying my hair with the fenugreek water. You know, I told you fenugreek water has the capacity to repair your scalp, to restore thickness, and to reduce breakages with your hair. So I'm going to be spraying. Then I'll massage. It's smelling so nice. Okay, so I'll just massage, bring them into different sections. I'm actually doing this before I wash my hair. Okay, right? When I get to the salon, and this is my calabar. That's what they call it, calabar. We'll now loosen it now. And then we'll now. What is for you? You can see my hair is really grown. See. Oh my God. I just want to spray the whole of my hair, then I'll use my hands to walk it into my scalp, you know, before I now go and wash it. It's easy to do. See, my hair is packing. Ha! God. Hair that knows to pack before. Who said God is not good? Hair that was crying that it cuts my hair. So my hair is growing, and I'm grateful. I just wanted to show you guys when I get to the salon, I'm losing it. So just for a little bit more. Remember that I already sprayed the scalp and the root of my hair. So now the reason why I loosened the whole hair is so it can get to every part of the hair before I actually wash it. All soaked. How's this map? Oh my God, you guys don't even know what's going on here. Oh Jesus. Guy. Okay, so I'm ready to go wash my hair. I'll just wash my hands and I'll be off to the salon before I make my hair today. Oh my God, I'm so happy I got to do this. I'm so happy I could apply the fenugreek water. That's that. So I'll see you guys when I see you in my next video. You can see the length of my hair, right? And you know where I started from. Like I trimmed everything. It was like almost like low cuts. I just trimmed the relaxed part of my hair, and I'm already here now. Yeah, my hair is growing. See you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm done washing my hair. Guess what someone asked me when I got to the salon? The person was like, "Did you use honey? Like, did you use honey to massage your hair? It smells like honey." My God, I just sold that Greek water and I'm done washing my hair, ready to plait my hair. Just have to let you guys know.